Good morning everyone. In previous class, the brick cement concrete calculation, the labor part we cannot able to discuss. So here we discuss about the labor calculation. So here the labor calculation, the labor requirement for the cement concrete is mistri, or we also called is head mason, mazdoor, and also called builder. And boys and women coolies, busy, and the mystery requirement for the 10 cubic of cement concrete is half number, and mason requirement for the 10 cubic of cement concrete is 1.5 numbers. Mazdoor requirement for the 10 cubic of cement concrete is 12 number. Boys and women coolies required is 18 numbers, and busy required 4 numbers. So first of all, we discuss about the cost of head mason. Head mason cost is 150 rupees. Mason cost is 125 rupees per day, and mazdoor cost here 60 rupees per day, and boys and women coolies 50 rupees per day, and BC 50 rupees per day. Here with the cost of the labor and cost of the material we consider, it is the basis now the previous cost. So the cost is changed day to day, so it is not constant. So the suitable cost for year we can put here. So here we put the previous cost. So the mystery cost is 150. Then we calculate the total cost of mystery requirement, mason and mazdoor and boys and women coolies and BC requirement. So mystery requirement is half into 150, which is equal to 75, and mason cost is 1.5 into 125, which is 187.50. Mazdoor 12 numbers, cost is 60 rupees, so 12 into 60, 720, and the boys and women coolies required 18 numbers, so 50 per day rupees, 18 into 50 is equal to 900, and basic requirement 4 into 50, it is equal to 200, and here the total cost of labor we calculate. Then after that, the lump sum amount, which is also called T&V, it is considered the total cost of the labor of 2.5 to 3%. So here the approximate cost we consider 40 rupees of lump sum for the 10 cubic of the cement concrete. So here the 40 rupees we add. Then the total value of the labor we can define 75 plus 187 plus 720 plus 900 plus 200 plus 40 is equal to 2122.50. Then we discuss about the total of material and labors. Total of material and labors, it is equal to 7750 plus 52 plus 2122.50, it is equal to 9874.50. Then we are the 1.5% water charge, also we call this 1.5% water charge of total material and labor. So 9874.50, the 1.5% is equal to 148.00. Then 10% consider for the contractor profit from the total labor and material cost. So 987.45. Grand total is 9874.50 plus 148.00 plus 987.45. It is equal to 11009.95. So here the 10 cubic cost we define. Then after that we define about the 1 cubic cost. So rate for 1 cubic it is equal to 11009.95 by 10. It is equal to 1101.00 or 1101 rupees for 1 cubic of cement concrete required. Then after that we discuss about the brick width calculation. So here we brick with standard brick, calculate of material required for 10 cm brick work. So here take wall 1.5 brick with 30 cm nominal thickness of 20 meter length and 5 meter height nominal volume. So first volume we define, so this is 20 into 0.3 into 5, length into breadth into thickness. It is equal to 30 cubic. Normally motor joint will be less than 1 centimeter. Taking 1 centimeter motor joint, the actual thickness of wall is equal to be 29. 30 total quantity minus 1 cubic motor joint, it is equal to 29 centimeter or cubic. Then we are going to the actual value. So actual value of the brick is equal to 20 into 0.29 into 5. It is equal to 29 cubic. Then number of standard brick of size 28 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into nominal size. So 29 by 0.20 into 0.10 into 0.10, it is equal to 1405 numbers the brick required. Then therefore the number of brick for cubic of nominal size, it is equal to 14,500 by 30. It is equal to 484 numbers, considering 5% for breakage or wastage. Next, then this is maybe taken as 500 numbers for cubic. So for 1 cubic the brick required is 500 number. So for the 10 cubic the brick requirement 5000 brick are required. Okay. So here we calculate the brick work requirement for cubic or for 10 cubic. Then after that calculate the calculation of material of mortar. The calculation of material and mortar, approximate method to determine the quantity of material of mortar for 10 cubic of brick divided 3 by the sum of the number of the person of material which give the quantity of cement in cubic. As per example, brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar, the cement is equal to 3 by 1 plus 6. 3 is for 3 is for the dry material quantities. Just example, in case of cement concrete, the dry material is how much? For 10 cubic. 15.2. Same. In case of brickwork, the dry material quantity is 3. So here the cement requirement is 3 by 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is the sum of the ratio, which is equal to, for 1 part is 0.43 cubic. So 0.43 cubic requirement of sand. Therefore sand is equal to how much? Sand is the 6 part. So 0.3 into 6, it is equal to 2.58 cubic. But as the cement will go to fill up the void in sand is 0.45 cubic of cement and 2.7 cubic of sand may be taken. Okay, so 0.43 it is considered as 0.45 and the 2.58 is considered as 2.7. Okay. Then we are going to the calculation of the brick work. So here the question is given, first class brick work in foundation and flint with 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter nominal size, brick with cement sand mortar 1:6, unit 1 cubic, and here we take 10 cubic because we consider for the 10 cubic calculation. So we know for the 10 cubic brick ballast is required 5000, brick required is 5000 number, because for 1 cubic 500 number. So for the 10 cubic it is required 5000 number, and cement required is 0.45, or we calculate here 0.43 and we consider it as 0.45, and the sand is used 2.7. So here cement need to convert in bag. We know the 0.45 cubic it is equal to 13.5 bags. How can we convert it? So 0.45 minus 0.0035. Then we define the cement bag. Then we are going through the calculation of material. After that we calculate the labor part. So here the material and labor we calculate by using the abstract, which is contain first serial number, then particulars, then quantity, then rate and cost. The rate and cost is given here, which is rates and price, and the material and labor part we calculate in next class because today's time is over.